Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Shein Review Not Posting in 2026. For that, first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device and try posting the review again. If the issue still persists, what you can do is simply head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on search, and then search for Shein. Tap on Shein, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Shein and try again, as carb cache may sometimes be causing the problem. Sometimes a quick update of the app can also help you fix the problem. Simply head over to Play Store, head over to search, and then search for Shein in the search bar. Tap on Shein and hit update right next to Shein if you have not already. If the issue still persists, what you can do is simply head over to your app drawer, search for Shein, long press on Shein, uninstall it, and reinstall it on your device. If the issue still persists, try using the web browser instead of the app, and if the issue is still the same, then it is most likely a problem on Shein's server side and will be resolved soon. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.